Welcome to the YouTube channel Message of the Chart. We are going through a series of momentum stocks videos, and this week also we got just a single stock in this category. But please remember, before going through this week's stock, let us just have a quick review of the stock discussed in the past week. Last week we have seen IIFL Finance, and if you remember, we had a support line drawn temporarily. This may take support here, or it may take the support at the bottom of this rectangle, like that we discussed last week. If you see the closing, on closing basis, if you see it seems to be taking the support at this temporary line drawn by us last week, but we have to wait for confirmation. To just have a better look on this, let us just shift to the daily time frame. Yeah, it seems that there was a closing below this line, but there was no follow-up. In fact, it dipped further and took support and closed in green above this temporary support line. So it may be taking the support. It's a sort of retesting also. On closing basis, thereafter there is no closing below this line. So this may be a good time to make a partial entry, keeping this bottom of this rectangle as a stop loss. Closing below the bottom of the rectangle as the stop loss, we can have a look. Otherwise, overall, it is having definitely scope to go up to the previous high of around 443 or whatever it is. So it is still having the possibility to give better opportunity in the days to come, but one has to enter partially. On breakout at this level of the top of this rectangle, one can add further. This is about the stock we discussed last week. Now let us move to this week's stock. The stock we have selected for this week based on our criteria of high weekly volume over the 20 weeks average weekly volume is Ahluwalia Contracts Limited. This is the weekly chart. In the weekly chart, we are having a high volume red candle, but the red candle is a sort of hammer, not exactly, but a sort of a hammer where it is tested a better low and it has moved up again, even though it is a red candle. So this may be a support point for this. Better I will go to daily. Before that, just we will have a look at what is the high of this all-time high. So all-time high is around 444 or whatever it is, approximately. Okay, still scope is there. Now it is in 377 level. So still scope is there. We will switch to daily. In the daily chart, immediately drawing my attention is it is trying to just trade within a rectangular area. So almost within this closing basis, if you see almost within this rectangular area, it is spending good time. And already we have seen that the earlier high is around 444 level, whatever it is. So now it seems to have taken support at the bottom of this rectangle, seems so. And it is slowly trying to move up. A decisive move above this big candle with the high volume. That is high of this candle is 388. Above 388, any close will be taking it immediately to the top of this rectangle. That is around 412, you can say. 412 levels it will go once it is decisively closing above the 388 level. Otherwise, it may try to spend more time within the triangle. Anytime it breaks below this triangle, which I may not, it may not happen as per my expectation, because already the gap filling is done. Because here you can see a gap, but it was filled very nicely by this long wick candle. So there is no need for it to come again. So we can expect it to move up to this, and again whether the consolidation continues from here or it is breaking out from this is only time can tell. So one can add in very little quantity and wait for a decisive close. In fact, entering on a decisive close above this 388 level may be good, and first target is 412 level, 412 partial profit booking, and on decisive closing basis breakout above this rectangle, we can add again. In that process, we may lose a few points, but it will be worth it, because in case at 412 points it reverses, the partial booking of the profit may be giving some comfort to us. So this is the idea of the plan to trade this, if at all one wants to trade. Thank you for watching this video. Let us meet again with similar videos which may be of useful to all the traders and investors. Thank you for watching.